If I'd seen the sunset on the day Jesus died, and felt the glow of the sunrise when the tomb was open wide, would I have known you? Could I have seen you were more than just a man? You were Lord and King. Jesus, Jesus, Lord to me, Master, Savior, Prince of Peace, ruler of my heart today. Jesus, Lord to me. When I walked through the doors, I sensed His presence, and I knew this was a place where love abounds. For this is a temple, Jehovah God abides here. We are standing in His presence on holy ground. We are standing on holy ground, and I know that there are angels all around. Let us praise Jesus now. We are standing in His presence on holy ground. In His presence, I know there's joy beyond measure, and at His feet sweet peace of mind can be found. For when we have a need, He's still the answer. Just reach out and claim it. We're standing on holy ground. Let your glory fill this house. Let your praise be on my lips. Let each vessel offer up to you the sacrifice of praise. For you alone are holy, you alone are worthy, you deserve the glory. Jesus, you alone. Oh, you better get on board now. We've got a lot of catching up to do now. Get your ticket now. The train's about to leave the station. Let your glory fill this house. Let your praise be on my lips. Let its vessel offer up Jesus, Lord to me, Master, Savior, Prince of Peace, ruler of my heart today. Jesus, Lord to me. Sweep over my soul, sweep over my soul, sweet Spirit, sweep over my soul. My rest is complete while I sit at your feet. Sweet Spirit, sweep over my soul. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in his wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. Let it breathe on me, let it breathe on me. Let the breath of God now breathe on me. Let it breathe on me. Let it breathe on me. Let the breath of God now